Hi YouTube. Today we are going to be making this super cute hypermotion tail out of felt sheets. Most people have these from mask making. They're super cheap. I think they cost like 50 cents from Walmart. I'm going to start by taking a sheet of paper and sketching out what the tail should look like. I did a bunch of these super fluffy things which turned out really well after brushing it. I highly recommend. Don't forget to mark a spot for where the belt will go, and then you can transfer it over to a sheet of felt. I doubled them up so I didn't need to trace it twice. Then you'll be left with two identical sheets of felt, which we will be coloring. I'm using alcohol markers. You could use any type of permanent marker you wanted. I apparently lost the footage of it, but once you're finished coloring, go along the seams with the hot glue and connect the two sides, leaving the base where the belt is going to go open so that we can stuff it later. Then what you need to do is take a slicker brush, which is a pet brush with lots of bristles, and brush it out front and back. Then I use the extra felt and I cut it into strips to stuff the tail. And when you're finished stuffing it up, the last thing you're going to want to do is take that hot glue gun and close up the seam at the end so that the stuffing doesn't come out. This part can be a little janky, so what I'm doing here is closing the very inside first to block off the stuffing, and then avoiding the hole where the belt goes, and gluing the outside afterwards. And this is what you're left with. It's so cute, and this took seriously 5 minutes tops. And so I'll show you what that looks like on. Look at it go! Super motion tail with just felt.